Hey everyone, I'm from High Tech Talk. So in this video we are going to talk about Instagram TV and how can we create our channel and also how to use this Instagram TV. So let's get started. So before that, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on subscribe and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more related videos. So for this, first of all, you need to download an application from Play Store. You can search as IGTV. So once you download this, you can open this application. You can continue with your Instagram account. You can log in with your Instagram account. So here I will continue with my Instagram account. So I have enabled two-factor authentication. So I will get a OTP here. So once you log into your Instagram account, the interface will be in this way. Here you can see as for the people we have followed, we will see the videos for them of them, and here you can see also the following videos. You can see the popular videos and you can continue watching from here. And but if you want to create your own channel, then you need to click on this setting. Click on this one, setting, and you will see the option as create channel. Just click on this one. So once you click on this one, you need to click on next. Share long videos. With videos longer than a minute, you can do more. So we can upload the videos more than a minute here. So click on next. So you can tap on create channel. So here your channel is created. So if you want to upload a video here, you can click on this one. I will go back. I will tell you, just click on this profile, and once you click on this one, you can see I have 177k followers, and you can click on plus icon. So once you click on plus icon, you can select the videos. Like for now, I will select this video. I will click on next. So I will write any title. And I will not write any description for now, and I will click on post. So as you can see, it is getting posted 30%. So in this way, how you can use Instagram TV, how to create a channel, and how to upload a post in Instagram TV. And for now, the ad is not set up in Instagram TV, so Instagram is working on it. So in upcoming few days this will be installed, and you can see the ads on the video, and you can also on from this. So this was all about Instagram TV. So after this, when you will open your Instagram app, like I will open my Instagram app here. Here you can see that Instagram TV icon will be here. See, so you need to click on this one, and you can see so you can open your app here. Just now I have created, so it's not displaying for me. It is asking for a create a channel. It will take few seconds for me. So this is how I have added my videos here. You can see the videos I have added. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.